Right heading. Sometimes see we get weather forecast that there will be cyclone. This all weather forecasting is done by communication satellite. So right heading, communication satellite. If it is satellite, naturally it should revolve in circular orbit. If it is planet, then it revolves in elliptical orbit. So a satellite which revolves in a circular orbit in equatorial plane of Earth is called as communication satellite. Its time period is 24 hours, which is same as that of Earth's rotation about its own axis. So if Earth rotates 5 degree, that satellite also rotates 5 degree because time period is same. So therefore it appears to me stationary. See, imagine, just close your fist and move it slowly with same speed. We feel that it is at rest. Are you able to feel? I am doing same thing. Your हाथ का fist, just close it and move it both with same speed. I feel that they are at rest. Do you feel that? Can you feel that? Just try. अपना मुट्ठी बंद करो दोनों हाथ
Yes.
का और slowly एक ही स्पीड में रोटेट करो. You'll feel that they are in at rest. So because Earth and इसका speed same to same, it appears to be rest at any point on the surface of Earth. तो इसलिए उसको जियो स्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट भी बोलते हैं. जियो मतलब जोग्राफिकल, स्टेशनरी मतलब रेस्ट. बिकॉज इसका टाइम पीरियड सेम है, मतलब फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम है, तो इसको जियो
Synchronous.
सिंक्रोनियस सैटेलाइट भी बोलते हैं. ये रुका हुआ दिखता है अपने को, तो इसको कभी कभी पार्किंग सैटेलाइट भी बोलते हैं. मतलब कम्युनिकेशन सैटेलाइट का चार नाम है. एक खुद कम्युनिकेशन सैटेलाइट, देन जियो स्टेशनरी, जियो सिंक्रोनियस एंड पार्किंग सैटेलाइट. आई एम राइटिंग डेफिनेशन. A satellite which revolves in a circular orbit around Earth, in an equatorial plane with time period of 24 hours is called as communication satellite. So whenever you see in numerical or MCQ a communication satellite, they will not give time period 24. You have to remember, if communication satellite, then time period has to be 24 hours. खाली definition लिखो इधर तक. Any doubt in
No,
Sunday's
sir.
Sunday's test का topic सबको मालूम है ना? I have already posted on the group also. Measurement, scalars vector, kinematical equation, and few sums of gravitation, hardly 2 3.
Sir,
Yes,
so do you have the solutions of that DPP
PPP actually solution is not there, answer key is
or
there.
answer key?
Answer key is there no below, you can't see that. See,
So it's a response grid. We have to answer there.
acha, response grid is given, they have not given the answers. Oh,
No, sir.
acha, then I will send. I thought The answer they have marked.
Okay.
Otherwise, answer sheet I will send you. I will take the photograph and send the answer sheet. Don't worry, we have that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Today only after the class, I will. First, I will send only first and second. Have you completed definition?
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir. Okay. Below that, write down as the satellite as the satellite appears to be at rest from Earth's surface, at rest from Earth's surface, hence it is also called as geostationary satellite. Geostationary satellite or parking satellite. Or parking satellite or geosynchronous satellite. Mostly they will ask you 2 marks question. What is communication satellite? Uses. First, they are used for telecommunication. When you say tele means दूर का. टेलीविजन मतलब दूरदर्शन, दूर से देखता है. टेलीफोन दूर का आदमी से सुनाई होता है. So telecommunication means we can communicate over larger distance. They are used for telecommunication. They are used for sending TV signals. Third, this much can I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are also used for weather forecasting. Or they can be used for spying. See, in our television, sometimes they show the terrorist camp running in Pakistan. So we have not gone to take photograph. Our communication satellite has taken photo and sent to us. That's why we say it is also used for spying. Yes, student. Next, right? Polar satellites. Pole to pole they move. Polar satellites. Now, if this is Earth, then axis passes through pole. Polar satellite keep on performing this type of elliptical orbit. They are very close to the Earth's surface. The communication satellite is at nearly 36,400 kilometers. जगह रहेगा तो लिख दो, नोट करके लिखो. Height of communication satellite is 36,400 kilometers from surface of Earth. From surface of Earth, it is nearly 36,400 kilometers. What is radius of Earth, Karan Goyal? Radius of Earth?
6.4 into 10 raised to 8.
10 raised to 6 in meter.
6.
That means 6,400 kilometers. बराबर 6,400 kilometers. Now 36,000 means nearly 6 times radius or not?
Yes, sir.
So it is nearly 6 times radius of Earth from the surface. इतना height पे रहता है. और एक polar satellite less than 1,000 kilometer पे रहता है. तो बहुत नजदीक है ये. So polar satellites, these satellites are placed, in lower polar orbits. They are placed in lower polar orbit. They are at low altitudes of 500 kilometer to nearly 800 kilometer. They नजदीक है तो ये वेदर फटाफट मेजर करेगा. So they are generally used for weather forecasting and meteorological department. Meteorological department is that department जो हम लोग को बताता है बारिश होएगा क्या, बर्फ गिरेगा क्या, धूप रहेगा
Climate and weather.
क्या, climatic and meteorological purposes. They are also used for astronomical observation. Astronomical observations. Astronomical observations and studying solar radiation. And study, solar matlab sun, and study of solar radiation. Please write this much. Polar satellites are placed in lower polar orbit, nearly 500 to 800 kilometer, used for weather forecasting and meteorological purpose. They can also be used for astronomical observation and study of solar radiation. Is completed writing?
Yes, sir.
Everybody has completed writing full?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more, two, three.
Yes, sir.
Just write below that. The time period. The time period. The time period of revolution of polar satellite. Time period of revolution of polar satellite is nearly 85 minutes. The communication was 24 hours. This is 85 minutes. That means it is moving very fast. 85 minutes. It can orbit the Earth nearly 16 times per day. Nearly 16 times per day. Now, last part of chapter left out, feeling of weightlessness in the spaceship, or why astronaut feels weightlessness in the spaceship. That will complete entire theory of the chapter. Completed full?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Feeling of weightlessness पढ़ लेते हैं last part. Explain feeling of weightlessness in a satellite. I did one chapter called law of motion. Are you remembering that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If we apply action on the surface of Earth, what Earth gives?
Reaction.
Reaction. And that reaction makes us feel that we are having weight. If this is surface of Earth, a person is standing here, he gives action, mg. Earth gives normal reaction. So due to normal reaction, equivalent to mg, he feels that he is having weight. So person feels weight due to this reaction offered by the Earth. लिफ्ट में बैठा है आप लोग कभी? लिफ्ट में
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
लिफ्ट में बैठता कौन है? खड़ा रहना पड़ता है, वॉचमैन बैठता है. आप लिफ्ट में बैठ जाते हैं नीचे फ्लोर पे, ऐसा खड़े रहते हैं.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Suppose you are standing on the floor of lift and lift is at rest, तो आपको आपका वजन लगता है कि बाजू वाले का वजन फील होता है? Then we feel our actual weight mg due to reaction mg. बराबर ना? Lift rest. Yes, sir. But if lift starts moving upward with acceleration a, the net force acting on that person will be reaction mg plus ma. क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So can I say it is greater than actual weight?
Yes,
Actual
sir.
weight is mg. This is mg plus ma greater than mg. तो उसको अपना बॉडी लाइट लगेगा कि हैवी लगेगा?
Heavy.
Feel that he is heavier than actual weight. But suppose lift is moving down with acceleration a, now reaction acting will be mg minus downward wala
Minus
ma.
MA.
This is less than actual weight mg or not?
Yes, sir.
So person will feel lighter.
Yes, sir.
Now somebody cuts this rope. Somebody cuts this rope. Now what will happen? Person will have free fall, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So his apparent weight will become mg minus mg, मतलब 0. तो इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, वेटलेसनेस लगेगा उसको. बट इफ लिफ्ट इज फॉलिंग विथ मोर देन ग्रेविटी, तो ये उठ जाएगा ना ऐसा, क्योंकि रिएक्शन होएगा ही नहीं इसको, तो ये फ्लोर के साथ जाके टकराएगा. ये मैंने समझाया था आपको लॉ ऑफ मोशन में, बराबर.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
अभी यही यही फीलिंग को एक्चुअली वेटलेसनेस बोलते हैं. तो इन स्पेसशिप द एस्ट्रोनॉट is not in contact with the surface. देखो वो फ्लोट करते रहते हैं ना ऐसा, देखा है फ्लोटिंग करते रहते हैं वो लोग स्पेसशिप में. So because astronaut is not in contact with the surface due to gravitational forces, so will there be any reaction on him? Hello?
No, sir.
अगर रिएक्शन ही नहीं तो उसको वजन कैसा लगेगा ना, तो उसको वेटलेसनेस
No
लगेगा.
force acting. Okay.
Pardon?
No force acting.
हाँ, so he feels weightlessness because floor of the spacecraft does not offer any reaction, जो इधर कर रहा था लिफ्ट में. फिर से मैं बोलता हूँ आपको एग्जाम में कैसे लिखना है. आई एम रिपीटिंग, देन आई विल डिक्टेट सो दैट यू कैन राइट. When a person stands on the surface of earth, he gives action mg, earth offers reaction mg, hence he feels actual weight. Okay, first part clear? First part everybody has cleared with?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Consider a person standing in a lift at rest. He feels actual weight mg due to reaction. Second paragraph, third. When lift starts moving upward with acceleration a, net reaction acting on the person equals to mg plus ma. This apparent weight is greater than actual weight, hence he feels heavier. Fourth paragraph. When the lift comes downward with acceleration a, net reaction force will be mg minus ma. This is less than the actual weight, hence he feels lighter. When the rope of lift is cut, then lift falls freely due to acceleration g. So net reaction acting on the person equal to mg minus mg equals to 0. Hence he feels weightlessness. In the spaceship, the floor of lift does not offer any reaction. Hence he feels weightlessness. Okay? Clear all the 5 points?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब एक एक करके लिखते हैं. First paragraph. This completes our chapter. Then we'll start with MCQs. Right. When a person is standing on the surface of earth, then he applies action on earth's surface. Hence earth offers reaction mg and person feels weight. Next paragraph. Consider a person in lift at rest due to reaction by floor of lift. He feels actual weight mg. He feels actual weight mg. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Third paragraph. When lift ascends with, ascend means moving up with,
Second para.
pardon?
Second para.
No, third, na? First was earth, second lift at rest, third moving up.
Okay. Yes.
When lift ascends with acceleration A, then net reaction on person will be mg plus me. Hence, apparent weight is greater than actual weight. When lift descends with acceleration A, then net reaction on person will be mg minus ma. Hence, apparent weight is less than actual weight. Yes, completed, I think.
Just a second, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
When lift, when rope of lift is cut, then lift falls freely with acceleration due to gravity g. Hence, net reaction will be mg minus mg equals to 0. Thus, person feels weight lessness in spaceship the floor of spaceship does not offers any reaction on astronaut, hence he feels weightlessness. Hence he feels weightlessness. Completed now?
Done, sir, done.
Aman, which sum you wanted from that first one? First DPP?
Sir, the last one.
So somebody said 4th, 14th, 10th.
Sir, even
I
I
said
have doubts.
30th.
Sir, we all said the common 30th.
Which one?
30th, the last sum.
30th. Edges of parallelepiped are given by the vector. That one. What will be the value of
Yes,
f
sir.
in order that
Yes.
volume of parallelepiped will be 24? Okay. Only that you require?
Sir, I have doubts in 8th, 10th, and 15th.
30 वाला न्यूमेरिकल है. अच्छा, इसलिए वो लोग ने सॉल्यूशन नहीं दिया है. ठीक है, समझ गया. You require which one you said?
8th, 10th, and 15th.
8th, 10th, 15th. ये भी अच्छा सम है. 8th, 10th, 15th वाला भी. 8th, 10th, 15th and then 30th. अच्छा, ठीक है. First I am doing few sums of this gravitation और इसका मैं आपको सॉल्यूशन भेजता हूँ. चलेगा आपको, वो समझ जाओगे आप सॉल्यूशन.
And sir, 16th.
16th also. Okay. Because I told ना gravitation भी थोड़ा है तो थोड़ा एक दो सम करा देता हूँ. Otherwise you will feel क्या नहीं कराया था ना सम. Open gravitation का PDF which I have sent to you all. PDF which I have sent. Come to page number 32. Page number 32. First sum. Very, very important. This type is frequently asked in the exam with only value changed. Very, 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 very important. Only values are changed.
Page number?
Page number 32.
Okay, sir.
Total there are 42. Out of that 32 pages. Came to first sum? All of you have come to that first one? Hello, can you see
Yes,
that?
sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
question is like this. A body weighs 72 Newton on the surface of Earth. So I'm writing W, S means surface of Earth. What is the gravitational force? Gravitational force means weight. due to earth at a height equal to weight at certain height will be how much? If height is equal to half the radius of the earth. See, whenever it is problem of weight, mass changes or G changes?
G changes.
G will change. So whenever you see problem of weight, find relation between G. So weight height पे चाहिए तो मैं G height पे ढूंढता हूं पहला. What is G at height formula? Gm upon R plus
Yeah.
H the whole square.
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
And G at surface is Gm upon capital R square. So Gh upon G will become capital R square upon R plus H the whole square. So Gh upon G is R upon R plus H. H is half of R whole square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So Gh upon G will be R upon 3 by 2R the whole square. I can cancel this RR. Now Gh upon G will become 2 will go up, it will become 2 ka square 4, niche 3 square 9. So G at height is 4 by 9 G on the surface. This much you all have followed.
Yes, sir.
Just copy till this. Now only one more line. अगर G 4 by 9 मतलब वेट भी 4 by 9 कैसा वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. इधर तक करो पहला.
Done, sir.
I'm clearing this up. Okay. Aryan Bagwe. Hello Aryan. Hello Aryan.
Yes, sir.
You are getting disconnected. मैं ये वापस इवनिंग में पोस्ट कर दूंगा. प्लीज एक बार देख लेना ना. So we got G at height 4 by 9 times G on the surface. So if I multiply both side by M, what it becomes? Weight, no? Mg is called weight, correct na?
Yes, sir.
And what is weight on the surface they have given? 72?
72.
9 8 are 72, 8 into 4, 32 Newton. This is the required answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Solve. Next one. Shall I clear this? First one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next, second. If FGFE represents gravitational force and electrostatic force respectively between the two electrons situated at distance of 10, then what is Fg upon Fe in the order of? What is meaning of order? In the order of means what? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
The
sir.
power
Have you heard about what is the order of magnitude, which already have?
raised to the power of 10.
10 raised to
It is nothing but value of physical quantity rounded off to the nearest integral power of 10. So suppose by chance I get this way answer, 6.2 into 10 raised to, I'm telling just example, 43. So what will be order? 10 raised to
10
40
raised to 43.
plus 1, 10 raised to 44, because this is more than 5. Okay. This was our order of magnitude rules. Now, if I get 4.6 into 10 raised to 43, then
10 raised to 43.
10 raised to 43.
10 raised to 43 only. Correct. So we are not interested in actual value. We are interested in order of magnitude. That means 10 ka power. So I will do calculation by few adjustment, getting 10 ka power and number whether it is greater than 1, greater than 5 or less than 5. Gravitational force means, can I say G m upon r square? Can I say like this?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
m मतलब mass of electron का बीच का बोला है ना. And electrostatic force you will study in chapter called electrostatic. It is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon product of charge q1 q2 upon r square. Now r square is same, we can cancel, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So we get G me. This is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. फिर आपको वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देता हूँ, थोड़ा इजी लगेगा. R square cancel. G me upon 4 pi 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2. G means 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11, which is universal gravitational constant. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 into 9.1 10 raised to minus 31. Correct? Mass of electron. Mass of electron you are knowing?
Yes, sir.
9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. अभी ये
Yes, sir.
पूरे का वैल्यू ना 9 into 10 raised to 9 होता है 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. We'll study in that chapter. And charge of electron is 1.6
1.6 10 raised to minus.
minus 19 two times because there are similar two charges. Now this 9.1 and 9 nearly I can cancel. So I get 6.67 into 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 minus 31 is minus 62 minus 62 minus 11 is minus 73 upon 1.6. 1.6 is 2.56 into 10 raised to minus 19 minus 19 is minus 38 minus 38 plus 9 will be 10 raised to minus 29. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is now 6.67 into 9 upon 2.56 into 10 raised to. What is minus 73 plus 29? 13 minus 9 is 4. 6 minus 2, 4. That means it is minus 44. Hello, is it minus 44? Ten raised to minus 44. So
Yes, sir.
this is nearly 3 times, na, approximately 2.56, nearly 3. So 27 into 10 raised to minus 44 approximately. So approximately 2.7 into 10 raised to minus 43. Now tell me what is order?
10 raised to minus 43.
Minus 43. Difficult in calculation. So this chapter का थोड़ा calculation can be bit lengthy. Chapter is easy. Weight वाला समझा सबको बराबर?
Yes,
Weight-
sir.
So weight related sum comes, get the G correlation. Solve second.
Done, sir.
Everybody has completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Coming to third sum now. Third. If the value of gravitational acceleration at height h, value of gravitational acceleration at height h, gravitation acceleration means g, at height h means h, will be 1%, means 1 upon 100 of its value on the surface, then what is height? So condition is given, g at height becomes 1% of g on the surface. What is that height? What is gh formula? Is it gm upon r plus h the whole
The
square?
whole square. Yes, sir.
1 upon 100. And g is gm upon capital R square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this gm I can cancel and take invertendo. So r plus h the whole square is 100 times capital R square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Taking square root, r plus h becomes 10r. Therefore, h becomes 9r and r is 6,400 kilometer. So 0, 0, 9 into 4, 36, 54 and 357. 57,600 kilometer will be the height from the surface of Earth. Okay,
Yes, sir.
solve.
Yes.
Very important sum again. Yeah. No. Okay, no?
Done, sir.
If the apparent weight of body at the equator is 0, then Earth should rotate on its axis faster than present value by what factor? Those who have attended all the lecture for weightlessness on equator, are you able to remember what was this omega speed dash or omega? 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 radian per second. याद है ये?
Yes.
For weightlessness on the equator, omega dash should be 1.24 into 10 raised to minus 3 radian per second. -3 था क्या +3 था?
-3.
-3, perfectly right है. But actual ओमेगा मतलब 2 पाई बाय एक्चुअल टाइम पीरियड होएगा, मतलब 2 पाई बाय 24 आवर्स होगा, बराबर ना? एक्चुअल, हेलो
Yes, sir.
ये वेटलेसनेस वाला है, ये एक्चुअल है. तो लोग ने बोला ये कितना टाइम एक्चुअल से ज्यादा, कितना टाइम मतलब यू हैव टू कंपेयर. सो दिस इज लाइक 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3, 2 pi upon 24. 24 goes up, convert into second into 3600. I hope you followed what I did.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1.25 24 into 36, 3600. 2 into pi is nearly 6 or not, approximately? Hello?
What, sir?
2 pi is nearly 6. I have written 6.28 ko.
Yes, sir.
Nearly 2 pi I have written 6. Okay, and this 10 raised to minus 3 I eliminated with 3600 cup zeros. This much you all have followed.
Yes, sir.
6 fours are 24 or not? Six fours is 24, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
1.25 into 4 is 5 na.
Yes.
So this is nearly 5 into 6 30, 18 के आसपास ना.
Yes, sir. It's 18.
18 है क्या ऑप्शन?
17 है.
17.
Yes, yes. तो याद रखना 17 times the speed greater रहेगा तो weightlessness आता है. अभी एग्जाम के टाइम पे ये सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे चलेगा, मैं तो बाहर कर लिया हूं. When the earth speed becomes 17 times original, weightlessness होता है, और वो टाइम पे स्पीड होता है 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3. ये एक दिन में याद नहीं होएगा, आपको बार बार कम से कम 10 बार लिख के प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. So I hope you followed this sum calculation. Anybody who has not followed? Everybody has followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right solution then. Aryan, you are there? Aryan?
Yes, sir.
After the lecture,
Yes.
wait for extra class.
Yes, sir.
Ayman, Aryan. Ayman, Aryan confusion.
Sir, which Aryan?
Aryan उन्हाड़े.
Me.
Okay.
अच्छा, Aryan Bagwe also. Once you complete, please tell, huh?
Done, sir.
Okay. Fifth one, can you see it is just a theory? Atmosphere is held to Earth by what? Gravity, no?
Gravity.
Yes. Atmosphere is held to the Earth by gravity. So this can I clear now? Fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Sixth. mass of 1 kg on earth weighs 1/6. Mass of 1 kg weighs 1/6 kg on moon. देखो कभी कभी वो लोग बोलते हैं मास, लेकिन अपने को समझना होता है क्या होता है ये मास। कभी चेंज होता है क्या?
No, sir.
मास का वजह से वजन चेंज हुआ। वजन चेंज हुआ मतलब कौन चेंज हो गया? जी ना।
Yes, sir.
तो जी ऑन मून इज 1/6 जी ऑन द अर्थ, ये वो लोग ने इनडायरेक्टली बोला है। तो 1 किलो वाला चीज मून पे 1/6 हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट? जी बिकमिंग 1/6। क्लियर दिस फर्स्ट पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm reading further what they want us to find. They are saying radius of moon is given as 1.732. Radius of moon is 1.738 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Then what is mass of moon if G on earth is 9.8 meter per second square and capital G 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg. See, G on the moon is 1/6 G on the earth, and G on the earth they have given. What is G ka formula? Is it capital G?
PM upon R square.
M upon R square, but all this M and R are of moon. Any doubt in formula mein substitution? Any doubt till this? No, na?
Yes, sir.
So can I say mass of moon is radius of moon square into 1/6 of GE upon capital G, correct? R goes up, G comes down. Please copy this much, then I'm explaining how to substitute and get the answer quickly without any log or any calculator.
Done, sir.
Okay. Six 6.6. I hope we all can multiply with 6.67 or 1.738. Can I think this as 1.732? This is like 1.732.
Root 3 times.
That is nothing but what? Root 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
And root 3 ka square will be what?
3.
3.
3. Now root 3 square is 3. 3 and 6 we can cancel. So 3 into 2, correct? Correct now?
Yes, sir.
and 2 into 4.9. So this becomes 4.9 upon 6.67 into 10 raised to 23. 6 sevens are 42, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So my answer will be close to 7 and power will be 10 raised to 23. Check, do we have close to 7 and 10 raised to 23? 10 raised to 23. No, 10 raised to 22 है. तो अपना कुछ मिस्टेक हुआ है क्या? हाँ 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 मिस्टेक हुआ है ना. ये 4.9 है. So this will be 0 point. So I'm making this as 22. Then this way I will write as 4.9 49, which is nearly 50. Say, this is nothing but 4.9, that is close to 50 into 10 raised to 22 upon 6.67. Now can I say my answer is A? Can I say my answer is A? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. हाँ बोलिए ना फर्स्ट. हाँ मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. Yes, done. Hello, 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 hello.
Yes,
Done,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
But concept you followed, what we have done.
Yes, sir.
See, it is difficult again. I'm telling in calculation. But अगर थोड़ा 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 technique समझ रहा है तो it's very simple. So everybody has followed till this. Next sum we'll see. Shall I clear?
So which option is correct then?
A.
Answer is A, no?
Oh.
10 raised to 22 A में है ना? Shall I remove calculation?
Yes, sir.
चलो आते हैं अभी next sum पे. The gravitational force on the body of mass 1.5 kg situated at a point is 45. What is gravitational field at that point? Again, those who have attended full lecture, gravitational field E is force acting per unit mass. Force is 45, mass is 1.5. So it is direct formula 30 Newton per kg. Okay. Again, option A. This is formula based. If I know formula, then it is simple for me. If doubt comes, please keep on asking.
Can you explain this once again?
Who is telling this, dear?
Sir,
I means who?
Avan.
Avan. Avan, what is definition of electric field intensity? Force acting
Force
per unit
yes.
mass.
So I'm not hearing.
You're not able to hear? Gravitational intensity is force per unit mass. Now you are able to hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Completed, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Body of mass m is moved to height equal to radius of the earth, then increase in potential energy. Are you remembering increase in potential energy का मैंने आपको shortcut formula बोला है?
N by N plus 1.
N upon N plus 1 mgr, ये formula बोला है ना आपको, है ना? यही we have derived, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here
Sir.
h is nr. Since h is nr, therefore what is n by comparing? H is given r, but h का formula is nr. What is n by comparing?
1.
1.
So see how oral it becomes. This is increase in potential energy is 1 upon 1 plus 1 mgr. That is nothing but half mgr. Okay. Any doubt in the sum? See, this formula from where it came, that will be doubt if you have not attended the lecture. And if you have attempted full, this I have explained you in note. Please go through all that. Then again, if you don't follow, ask me, I will be happy to explain. Shall I clear now?
Yes, sir.
So everybody has followed today's content. This 8 MCQ, then communication satellite, polar satellite, feeling of weightlessness. Everybody has understood full?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So please keep on practicing MCQ as